Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's review the center snap and geometric center snap. At the command line, type O snap. This will open up your drafting settings, and we're going to take a look at the object snap. So click that if it's not already selected. Then we are going to take a look at our center snap and our geometric snap. Center snap, the description for that is snaps to the center of an arc, circle, ellipse, or elliptical arc. The description for definition for geometric center is snaps to the geometric point of a polyline, 2D polyline, and 2D spline. So let's take a look at the center snap. I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to draw a circle, draw a line, and here goes my center snap right over here. Make sure you have your snaps turned on or press F3. You can also come to the command line if you want to draw a line. If your snaps are not already on, you can type CEN for center, and this works the same way as having your snap icon turned on. Okay, so now let's test that out by turning off our center snap and trying that one more time with the arc. So we're going to draw our arc on the screen, and we're going to draw a line, and we're going to type CEN for center, and there goes our center snap. We're going to do that one more time with drawing an ellipse. We're going to type L at the command line and CEN for center, and there goes our center of our ellipse. Okay, let's go back to our O snap command to open up the drafting settings. Now let's click on geometric center. Let's review this snap here. It says again, snaps to the geometric center of a polyline, 2D polyline, and 2D spline. Okay, so I'm going to press OK at the bottom of that dialog box to close out of it. So what does this mean? Let's draw a shape using our polyline, and just to test, I'm just going to draw a random shape, just random shapes using my polyline. So now we have this shape here and this shape here. Now let's look for the center of these shapes, or what it's known as the centroid or geometric center. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line, and here goes the geometric center of this shape here, or centroid. And for this shape here, there goes the center over here. Okay, again for this shape, here goes the center of this shape we just created. Now let's take a look at spline. Let's use the spline and see if it will yield the geometric center of the shape. Okay, so we have this random shape here. Let's make it even weirder. So I think that's weird enough. Okay. And we're going to draw a line or use the line command. And over here is the geometric center of this shape here. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.